Hello everyone, welcome to this new lecture series on ethics of AI. Today we are going to discuss about how the navigation AI challenges opportunities as well as the ethics through the human-centered innovation. I am excited to guide you through how AI is challenging our world, not just through the technology but through its impact on people, ethics and innovation. Let's explore how we build a future where the AI supports the human value and creativity. Let's map our thoughts. Let's start by mapping our thoughts. What comes to our mind when you think of AI? Maybe it's the robot, automation, or a voice assistant like Alexa, but AI is much more. It is about how machines learn, think, and decide. As we go through this session, keep in mind both the sides, that the benefits and the risk, as also ask yourself that is AI is always fair, and how it might shape the futures we're heading forward. Next is the recap session. In this, we are going to discuss about what exactly is AI. That is, AI mimics the human intelligence. It learns from the data and solves the problem as well as even create the art or music. It powers the tools we use daily, from the Netflix recommendations and also to the self-driving cars, and is also for the smart home devices. AI is everywhere, transforming how we live, learn, work as well as how we connect. But remember, with the great power comes with the great challenges. We need to ask how we can use the AI as a responsible one. So that we are going for the understanding this problem. AI touches the every part of their life, whereas in the healthcare, education as well as the jobs. But along with these benefits, with the real concern, privacy, where the data is being collected and tracked. Coming to the job security, automation is replacing with the some of the roles, as well as in the where we are dealing with the bias. AI can make the unfair decisions, and also in the trust, people often don't understand how AI make the choices. So this human concerns remind us that ethics must be a guide for these innovations. Let's define some of the core challenges that AI presents. First is the algorithmic bias, that AI can reflect human justice and if they are trained on the biased data. Second is the transparency gap, where we often don't know how this AI makes their decisions. Third is the ethical dilemma, that is, who is responsible for the AI failures and what about the human dignity as well as the privacies. Identifying these challenges is the first step towards building ethical and accountable AI. Next is the imagining solutions. Now let's flip the coin. AI can bring the amazing opportunities. In healthcare, AI helps to detect the diseases early, as well as it creates the personalized treatments. Whereas in the education, it adapts the learning to each student needs, and in the environmental protections, it monitors the climates and helps the save for endangered species. And by transforming and automating the repetitive works, AI frees the people to focus on creativity as well as the innovations. If guided well, AI can unlock the human potentials and like never before. Next is building and testing the solutions. Developing ethical AI is not just about the ideas, it's about testing and improvement. So like any good design process, AI develop it's iterative. We design this we design as well as we can test and gets the feedback, and we can use it for our refinement. For example, one finance company redesigned its AI to explain the loan decisions. Bias in approval dropped by 34 percentage, and customer trust grows by 56 percentage. That's the power of transparency and ethical trusting in the real world applications. Next is the overcoming challenges and in this, the solving the AI problems requires the teamwork. So we need to diversify the data so system don't favor certain groups. We must enhance the explainability, which making the AI reasoning clear and understandable. And we can strengthen the policies that designing the AI that ensures the protection of our user data. When we combine the human oversight with the technologies, we move from the biased system to an ethical system that can be benefited by everyone. Next is the future of AI, where we can share the responsibilities. So the power of AI demands that we innovate the responsibility, and each of us has a role in shaping that future, which stayed the informed about the AI developments and demanded the transparency and accountability from the tech companies, and engage in the policies decisions and promote the inclusive designs. Ethical AI begins with the awareness, and it grows when communities, educators and innovators work together. So together we design a fair and ethical AI world. So as we wrap up, let's remember AI should enhance the humanity, not to replace it, and also it embeds the empathies, where keeping the human values at the core, and also let's creatively using the AI to build, not to divide. Let's champion the responsibility, ensuring the fairness as well as the transparency in our innovations. So our path forward is clear, that humanity plus AI, which gives the ethical innovation. So together we can design the future where the technology truly serves for the people with ethics and its hearts. Thank you. I hope you like this video.